Hello, peace seekers. Thank you for rewarding yourself with these few minutes of self-care. It is essential to recognize that you can and should come first. Taking a moment for mindfulness can be the positive turning point of your day. So let's use these few minutes to practice some intentional thinking and breathing while allowing my voice to be your guide. Get comfortable and loosen your limbs. You may be taking a brief break at work, stretching on a yoga mat, or relaxing in a chair at home. Feel free to gently close your eyes or find a fixed gaze if that feels more comfortable. Now be intentional with your breathing, taking long, deep inhales through the nose and allowing the belly to expand. Then slowly releasing your breath through your mouth while pursing your lips. As you exhale, your belly should deflate inward. Continue to breathe intentionally as you feel your lungs expand and contract. You may want to recite your favorite mantra or affirmation during this time. This may sound like, I am inviting all positive energy into my universe. Or, I am manifesting calm energy. Repeat your personal mantra 2 or 3 times if you find it is enhancing your mindfulness practice. Now check in with yourself and notice any sensations that may arise during your breathing practice. Do you feel any changes in your heart rate? Do you feel any cooling or warm sensations on your skin or down your spine? Notice if there are any points of the body where you feel any tension. Give yourself permission to acknowledge the sensations and loosen up that part of the body. This may look like relaxing the muscles in your forehead or unclenching your jaw. You may even feel called to slowly roll any tightness from the neck, shoulders, wrists, or ankles. Send love and appreciation to those parts of your body. If your mind slowly starts to drift, know that it is normal and natural. Notice the occurrence and bring your mind and body back to center while still breathing deeply and intentionally. It may also be helpful to now focus on a pleasant memory or setting that always brings you peace. This may be a thought of you walking on warm sand with your bare feet, or wading in calm, gentle waters. Were you overcome with a feeling or emotion during this time? Allow yourself to be filled with abundance of comfort, tranquility, and peace. Now think of small gestures or steps you can take to allow these calming feelings and emotions to stay with you throughout your day. Is there something you can do to allow these Zen vibes to remain? Now let's take a few more intentional breaths with deep inhales through the nose while allowing the belly to expand, then slowly releasing your breath through your mouth while pursing your lips. As you exhale, your belly should deflate inward. Now flutter your eyes open and take in your surroundings with new lenses. Show yourself some well-deserved appreciation for participating in this self-care practice. Thank you. Namaste. Love and light.